Let's unbox the tech that helps you hear life again. This tiny device brings back music, conversation, and laughter. Let's open this up. So, firstly, we'll have a seal here, which we can just cut through that. Okay. So now, as we open it, we can see there is a user manual and there is a warranty card. Let's move them aside. And then we have a couple of things here right on the box. So this one is a brush to clean the pores and openings of the hearing aid. So this one is basically called dehumidifying box, which has some sort of crystals in it, which helps to absorb the moisture from a used hearing aid. So we'll see how to use it. We'll come to that later. So this is basically called a dehumidifying box. And then here's the star of the show. So this is our instant fit CIC hearing aid, which is one of the smallest CIC hearing aid. So let's open him up. As you can see, this one operates with a battery. So it's basically a smaller size battery called a 10 size battery. So we have to open the battery compartment, and this is where we have to insert the battery. So now let's see how it operates. So firstly, we'll have to remove the seal from the battery and just keep it aside for 30 seconds or so. Once the seal is opened after 30 seconds, just put this battery, slide it into the battery compartment and shut the battery. Give it 10 to 20 seconds. Now the device will start functioning. So we looked at how instant fit CIC looks and feels and how it is when it's worn and all that. But let's not understand the invisibility, the discreetness are a quite fascinating thing. But the most important thing about a hearing aid is how functional it is for an individual. You should also remember that one device is not fit for everybody. So when you choose a device, just don't look at the brochure and understand, okay, this is an instant fit device. It has a fitting range of 10 to 80 decibel. It is suitable for the loss. All those are there on paper. But when it comes to real life situation, you have to look at the audiogram, the functionality of the individual, and the duration of the problem, the different styles of the problem, the frequency responses of the threshold. So based on all this is when we decide whether an instant fit is better, or should we go for a custom CIC itself, or we should go for a custom ITC with a power receiver, or an RIC is better. So these choices are made not by looking at the device's company provided brochure, but you have to consult an audiologist and look at your profile of the problem and then decide which device is the best fit for you. That's it for today.